Bootstrap is used for web applications, IoT applications, big data, data. Who is the owner of W3 CSS? Nilit.gov.in, w3schools.com, w3.org, w3framework.org. W3 CSS is an alternative to which of the following? Bootstrap, JavaScript, AngularJS, HTML. Which is the correct CDN for W3? CSS, https://www.w3schools.com/w3css/4/w3.css, https://www.w3school.com/w3css/4/w3.css, https://www.w3.org/w3css/4/w3.css, https://www.w3schools.org/w3css/4/w3.css. W3 CSS is used for client-side scripting, server-side scripting, responsive web designing, all of the above. W3 CSS provides CSS for desktop, laptop, let and mobile, all of the above. What is the primary use of W3 color classes in W3 CSS? To set background color, to set text color, to set border color, all of these. The W3 container class adds a blank left and right padding to any HTML element, 4px, 8px, 16px, 32px. The W3 container class is the perfect class to use for which HTML elements, less than div greater than, less than article greater than, less than header greater than, less than footer greater than, less than section greater than. All of these. The W3 panel class adds a blank top and bottom margin and a blank left and right padding to any HTML element, 4px 4px, 16px 16px, 4px 16px, 16px 4px.
अगर आप ट्रिपल सी या ओ लेवल के स्टूडेंट हैं तो पेश है आपके लिए आपके सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड 1500 प्लस एमसीक्यूज। इसमें क्वेश्चंस हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में हैं, शॉर्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है और आपके डाउट सॉल्व करने के लिए चैट जीपीटी की सपोर्ट है। अगर आप इसे ट्राई करना चाहते हैं तो प्ले स्टोर से एंकीड्रॉयड डाउनलोड करें और हमारी वेबसाइट asmcqs.gt.tc पर जाकर अपने सब्जेक्ट के फ्री सैंपल सेट डाउनलोड करें और एंकीड्रॉयड में इंपोर्ट करके इस्तेमाल करना शुरू करें। अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो बाय नाउ पर क्लिक करके गूगल फॉर्म फिल करें। हम आपका 1500 प्लस क्वेश्चन का सेट 1 से 6 घंटे के अंदर आपके व्हाट्सएप नंबर और ईमेल पर भेज देंगे।
Which W3 CSS class is used to left align text? W3 align left, W3 left, W3 left align, W3 text left. Which is the correct W3 CSS class for right alignment? W3 align right, W3 right align, W3 text right, W3 right. What is the default font size for the less than h1 greater than tag in W3 CSS? 64px, 36px, 32px, 24px. Which one is an incorrect class name for font size in W3? CSS, W3 Jumbo, W3 Large, W3 Normal, W3 Tiny. Which class produces the largest font size in W3? CSS, W3 Jumbo, W3 XXX Large, W3 XX Large, W3 Extra Large. Which W3 CSS class adds borders to all sides, top, right, bottom, left of an element? W3 border, W3 border all, W3 BORDER0. All of these. Which W3 CSS class is used to remove all borders from an HTML element? W3 border none, W3 BORDER0, W3 border remove, W3 no border. Which W3 CSS class is used to add zebra stripes to a table? W3 table striped, W3 zebra, W3 striped, W3 zebra striped. Which W3 CSS class is used to display a border around a table? W3 border, W3 table border, W3 bordered, W3 border table. Which W3 CSS class properties are not included in the W3 table all class? W3 striped, W3 border, W3 centered, W3 table. To use W3 CSS in your program, which of the following lines correctly links the style sheet to your web page? href equals https://www.w3school.com/lib/.css, href equals http://www.w3schools.com/lib/w3.css, refs equals http www.w3school.com/lib/w3.css, href equals https://www.w3schools.com/lib/w3.css. Which W3 CSS class is used to set the background color? W3 color, W3 background color, W3 BG color, W3 color. Which W3 CSS class is used to add borders to all sides of an element? W3 underscore border, W3 border, W3 borders, W3 bordered. The W3 container class is used to style multiple container type elements in a similar way by providing uniform styling, padding, font adjustments, all of the above. Which W3 CSS class is used to apply hoverable background colors to text and buttons? W3 hover color, W3 hover color, W3 hover color, W3 hoverable color. Which class is used to set the background color of any HTML element in W3? CSS, W3 color, W3 underscore color, W3 color, W3 color. Which of these HTML container elements is the W3 container class typically not used for? Less than div greater than, less than span greater than, less than footer greater than, less than article greater than. Which W3 CSS class is used to set the background color when an element is hovered over? W3 hover color, W3 color hover, W3 hover color, W3 hover color. Which W3 CSS class provides a bordered shadow for displaying paper-like cards? W3 card, W3 card, W3 card. None of the above. W3 CSS does not provide which of the following border classes? W3 border top, W3 border right, W3 border bottom, W3 border gutter. W3 CSS is a standard CSS framework. Does it rely on which of the following? jQuery library, JavaScript library. Both A and B are true. Both A and B are false. Which statement is not true about W3 CSS? W3 CSS is a modern, responsive, mobile-first CSS framework. W3 CSS provides equality for all browser. W3 CSS provides equality for all devices. W3 CSS is not a standard CSS. W3 CSS table classes do not provide which of the following? W3 striped, W3 stripe, W3 border, W3 bordered. Which statement is not true about responsive tables in W3 CSS? The W3 responsive class creates a responsive table. It scrolls horizontally on small screens. The W3 table class makes a table responsive. On large screens, there is no visual difference. Which of the following is a basic list-related class or element type in W3 CSS? W3 all, W3 border, W3 center. All of the above. Identify the default font used in W3 CSS. Times New Roman, Arial, Verdana. None of the above. What padding does the W3 container class add to an HTML element? 16px left only, 32px left and right, 16px left and right, 32px right only. Identify which is not a correct image class in W3 CSS. W3 round, W3 circle, W3 border, W3 oval. How many columns are supported in the W3 CSS responsive grid system? 10, 11, 12, 13. W3 color and W3 text color classes can be used to color any HTML element. Heading only, paragraph element only, ler element only. Which statement is not true regarding headings in W3 CSS? Sego UI is the default font for headings. Sego UI has a more narrow letter spacing. Headings allow a lesser number of letters. Smallest heading tag is less than H6 greater than. Which statements are correct regarding W3 panel? W3 panel class is perfect for displaying notes. W3 panel class is perfect for displaying codes. W3 panel class is perfect for displaying alerts. All statements are correct. Which CSS specification was first declared to become an official W3C recommendation? CSS Level 2, CSS Level 0, CSS Level 1, CSS Level 2.1. Which is not a standard size class used with lists in W3? CSS Small, Extra Small, Large, Extra Large. Which is not a valid text alignment class in W3? CSS, W3 left align, W3 right align, W3 center, W3 center align. Which of the following is not included in the framework? Font sizes, CSS reset, button styles, forms. How many columns are there in the basic grid of skeleton? 17, 12, 16, 10. Bootstrap was first introduced by _______, Google, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. Which CSS framework was developed by Twitter? W3.css, Bulma, Bootstrap, Flex. The W3 call class defines one column in a blank column responsive grid. 8, 12, 14, 16. The W3 circle class is used for displaying content inside a circle, displaying content in the center. Both A and B, none of these. W3 CSS grids are primarily used for responsive web design, image gallery, encrypted data, all of these. The W3 navbar class in W3 CSS is primarily used to create a horizontal navigation bar, vertical sidebar, fixed footer, pop-up modal. Which W3 CSS class is used to add rounded corners to an image? W3 round corner, W3 rounded, W3 round. None of these. Which of the following classes is used to display an extra large list? W3 large, W3 XX large, W3 extra large. None of these. What is the function of the W3 panel class? Provide 16px top and bottom margin and 16px left and right padding. Provide 16px top and bottom margin and 16px left and right margin. Provide 16px top and bottom padding and 16px left and right margin. Provide 16px top and bottom padding and 16px left and right padding. Which class is used to create a list card in W3? CSS, W3, card, W3 card, W3 list card, W3, list card. Which class is used to create a border in W3? CSS, W3 border, W3 border, W3 border. None of these. W3. CSS has a W3 panel class that adds top and bottom margin and left and right padding to elements respectively. Which of the following is true regarding its default values? 16px, 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 20px, 14px, 14px, 16px, 16px, 14px, 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 16px, 16px. What is W3? CSS, a JavaScript framework, a CSS framework, a database management system, a programming language. Which of the following is a feature of W3? CSS. It is responsive by default. It depends on jQuery. It is not open source. It only works with Bootstrap. How do you include W3? CSS in your HTML document, less than link rel equals, style sheet, href equals, w3.css, greater than, less than style type equals, text, CSS, src equals, w3.css, greater than, less than link rel equals, style sheet, href equals, https://www.w3schools.com/w3css/4/w3.css, greater than. All of the above. Which class in W3? CSS adds a red background to an element, W3 BG danger, W3 red, BG red, red BG. What does the class W3 container do? Adds a container with padding. Centers text in an element. Applies a specific font size. Adds a border to an element. How do you create a responsive grid layout in W3? CSS. Using W3 grid class. Using W3 row and W3 call classes. Using W3 container and W3 row classes. W3. CSS does not support grid layouts. Which of the following classes is used to add rounded corners to an element in W3? CSS, W3 corner, W3 rounded, W3 round, W3 border radius. What does the W3 card class do? Adds a border and some padding to an element. Creates a shadow effect and rounded corners for an element. Aligns the text to the center. Creates a card layout with tabs. Which class is used to center align text in W3? CSS, W3 center, W3 align, W3 text center, W3 align center. Which W3 CSS class is used to add a striped style to a table? W3 table striped, W3 striped, W3 table stripe, W3 stripe. What does the W3 opacity class do? Sets the opacity to a specific value, default is 0.75. Makes the element invisible. Adds a fade animation to the element. Sets the background transparency. What does the W3 hover shadow class do? Adds a shadow when the element is clicked. Adds a shadow when the element is hovered over. Adds a permanent shadow. Adds a glowing effect. Which class makes an image circular in W3? CSS, W3 circle, W3 rounded circle, W3 rounded, W3 circular. Which class in W3? CSS changes the text color to black, W3 black text, W3 text black, W3 black, W3 text black. Which class makes the text bold in W3? CSS, W3 bold, W3 strong, W3 font bold, W3 text bold. What does the W3 small class do? Reduces the font size, reduces the padding of the text container, reduces the line height of the text, makes the text lowercase. Which of the following technologies allows for dynamic, interactive web pages through the use of a scripting language? DHTML, XML, HTML, CGI. What is JavaScript? A markup language, a programming language, a database, a server. Which of the following is correct about JavaScript? JavaScript is an object-based language. JavaScript is an assembly language. JavaScript is an object-oriented language. JavaScript is a low-level language. Among the given statements, which statement defines closures in JavaScript? JavaScript is a function that is enclosed with references to its inner function scope. JavaScript is a function that is enclosed with references to its lexical environment. JavaScript is a function that is enclosed with the object to its inner function scope. None of the mentioned. Arrays in JavaScript are defined by which of the following statements? It is an ordered list of values. It is an ordered list of objects. It is an ordered list of strings. It is an ordered list of functions. Where is client-side JavaScript code embedded within HTML documents? In a URL using the special JavaScript code. In a URL using the special JavaScript protocol. In a URL using the special JavaScript encoding. In a URL using the special JavaScript stack. Which of the following objects is the main entry point for all client-side JavaScript features and APIs? Position, window, standard, location. Which of the following can be used to call a JavaScript code snippet? Function, method, preprocessor, triggering event, RMI. Which of the following correctly explains what happens when a JavaScript program is developed on a Unix machine, will work perfectly well on a Windows machine, will be displayed as JavaScript text on the browser, will throw errors and exceptions, must be restricted to a Unix machine only? Which of the following scoping types does JavaScript use? Sequential, segmental, lexical, literal. What is the basic difference between JavaScript and Java? Functions are considered as fields. Functions are values, and there is no hard distinction between methods and fields. Variables are specific. There is no difference. Why is a JavaScript engine needed? Both compiling and interpreting the JavaScript. Parsing the JavaScript. Interpreting the JavaScript. Compiling the JavaScript. Why are event handlers needed in JS? To allow JavaScript code to react to user actions and browser events. To add content to an HTML element using inner HTML. To change the server location. To handle JavaScript exceptions and errors. Which of the following is not a JavaScript framework or library? JavaScript, Net, JavaScript, Coco.js, jQuery. Which of the following is the property that is triggered in response to JavaScript errors, onClick, onError, onMessage, onException? Which of the following directives is used to start an AngularJS application? ngRepeat, nginit, ngapp, ngModel. Which of the following directives is primarily used to bind AngularJS data to HTML elements, similar to how expressions function? ngRepeat, ngBind, ngapp, ngModel. Which of the following can be used as a prefix for a directive? Data, ng. All of the mentioned. None of the mentioned. What is a model in MVC? The lowest level of the pattern responsible for maintaining data. Represents server-side data. Represents data stored in a database. None of the mentioned. Which of the following statements is correct about data binding in AngularJS? Automatic synchronization of data between model and view components. Automatic synchronization of data between model and controller components. Technique to save HTML data in the database. Technique to bind database data to HTML control. Which of the following is an advantage of AngularJS? Uses dependency injection and makes use of separation of concerns. Code is unit testable. Provides reusable components. All of the mentioned. What is React.js? Open source JavaScript back-end library. JavaScript front-end library for database creation. Free and open source JavaScript front-end library. None of the mentioned. Which of the following acts as the input of a class-based component? Class, props, factory. None of the mentioned. React.js is written in which of the following language? C, C++, JavaScript, Java. How many elements can a valid React component return? React doesn't return elements. One element. More than one element. None of the above.
इसमें क्वेश्चंस हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में हैं, शॉर्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है और आपके डाउट सॉल्व करने के लिए चार्ट जीपीटी की सपोर्ट है। अगर आप इसे ट्राई करना चाहते हैं तो प्ले स्टोर से एंकीड्रॉयड डाउनलोड करें और हमारी वेबसाइट asmcqs.gt.tc पर जाकर अपने सब्जेक्ट के फ्री सैंपल सेट डाउनलोड करें और एंकीड्रॉयड में इंपोर्ट करके इस्तेमाल करना शुरू करें। अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो बाय नाउ पर क्लिक करके गूगल फॉर्म फिल करें। हम आपका 1500 प्लस क्वेश्चन का सेट 1 से 6 घंटे के अंदर आपके व्हाट्सएप नंबर और ईमेल पर भेज देंगे।